Some instant cash apps can move money to your debit card in minutes, which is faster than waiting for a bank overdraft reversal or borrowing from a credit card cash advance. By the end of this, you'll know 5 of the fastest emergency cash apps, how they work, and which one makes the most sense depending on your situation. Here's the short answer. If you need money fast, speed matters more than maximum limit. A smaller advance today beats a larger one next week. First is Earnin.to. Earnin works best if you have a steady paycheck and direct deposit. It tracks hours or pay history and lets you access money you've already earned. For emergencies tied to timing, this is one of the fastest options. Second is Dave. Dave is built for quick small advances. It's simple to set up, beginner-friendly, and works well for things like groceries, gas, or avoiding overdraft fees. Third is Bridget. Bridget is strong if your emergency is about preventing a missed payment. It monitors your account balance and can trigger an advance automatically before your balance drops too low. Now, the flexible options. Emergencies offers Instacash, which works for more than just traditional workers. Gig workers and freelancers often prefer it because approval can be based on account activity instead of strict payroll schedules. Then there's Empower. Empower is one of the better options if your income changes month to month. It looks at overall cash flow, which makes it useful for part-time workers or side hustlers. Here's how to pick the right one. If you have a regular paycheck, start with Earnin or Bridget. Their systems are designed around predictable deposits. If your income is less predictable, MoneyLion or Empower usually make more sense. If you're new to cash advance apps and want the easiest setup, Dave is often the simplest starting point. One thing matters a lot here. Instant delivery usually costs extra. Standard delivery on most apps can still take 1 to 3 business days. For emergencies, check the transfer fee before confirming. Also check repayment timing. Most apps pull repayment automatically on your next payday, so know exactly when that hits. Quick recap. Earnin is best for payroll workers, Dave is easiest for beginners, Bridget helps prevent overdrafts, MoneyLion is flexible for mixed income, and Empower works well for irregular cash flow. The next step is simple. Match your income type to the app before applying. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more money app breakdowns.